Hi viewers, welcome to my channel called Energy Derive. Today we are going to be talking about what a NOT logic gate is, and we will design a circuit using a NOT logic gate to make an automatic night switch to control a bulb. We make content much easier and appropriate for better understanding for viewers. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Before we proceed, I recommend Proto Circuit Simulator app for everyone who wants to design any kind of electronic circuit. It is professional and accurate, that's what I use for my experimentation. It's available on Google Play Store. What is a NOT logic gate? A NOT logic gate, also known as an inverter, is a type of logic gate that has one input and one output. The output is always the opposite inverted of the input. If the input is high, the output is low, and if the input is low, the output is high. The symbol for a NOT gate is a triangle with a small circle at the end pointing towards the output and a line indicating the input. This is a NOT logic gate made with a transistor. It has one input and one output. The input is represented with just a switch, the input can also be a sensor. When we close the switch, it means the input is true, then the output, which is the LED, turns off, which means the output is false. But when we open the switch, it means the input is false, then the LED turns on, which means the output is true. This is the circuit diagram for the project. The input of the NOT logic gate is an infrared receiver which would detect sunlight to activate, because sunlight emits infrared light. But we are going to represent the sunlight with an infrared transmitter LED emitting infrared light. When the infrared receiver detects the infrared light from the infrared transmitter LED, it allows current to flow through it, which makes the input to be true. So we will have the output to be false. In this case, current will not flow from the output of the logic gate to the base of the transistor connected to the bulb. So the transistor will be off, which would also make the bulb to turn off. But when the infrared receiver does not detect infrared light from the infrared transmitter LED, it does not allow current to flow through it, which makes the input to be false. So we will have the output to be true. In this case, current will flow from the output of the logic gate to the base of the transistor connected to the bulb, which would turn the transistor on, forming a completed circuit for the bulb to turn on. That's all about today's video. Thank you for watching.